Hello friends, welcome to our channel MM Creation. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it, all the designs that I am sharing with you, similar designs. People in it all design that I am sharing with you today, all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So we'll keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch any video, bye.